guys and girls in San Roque, Legazpi City, taking a tricycle. Just give you some trivia guys and girls. Even before, I used to walk here when we go to market, to Rizal Park, Bichara Cinema, to LCC, or anywhere here nearby. We just take a walk. And even some of my fellow hometown mates, they tend and used to walk for us to save money. And aside from that, most of the time we don't have pennies for a tricycle fare. Bodega. Sa tabi lang tabi. Here now.
Dami ka mo yun? 13. Wala akong dos. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 35. Kulang akong dos.
Bye for now.